while focusing on the sign and symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum, that means excessive vomiting. Because of vomiting, the products of the stomach it will be come out, so the female will having fluid electrolyte imbalance, or that may lead to dehydration, that may lead to shock, that the sign and symptoms of shock will be there. So we will categorize the sign and symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum into two signs. One is early sign and one is late sign. अर्ली साइन में क्या है कि मदर को हॉस्पिटलाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. बिफोर दैट वी विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दैट द फीमेल इज हैविंग एक्सेसिव वोमिटिंग एंड वी विल ट्राई टू मैनेज इट. ठीक है, तो अर्ली साइन में क्या होगा? द फीमेल विल हैविंग वोमिट थ्रू आउट द डे. बिकॉज ऑफ वोमिटिंग थ्रू आउट द डे, द नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द फीमेल दे आर disturbed. So vomiting throughout the day, normal activities they will be disturbed. There is no evidence of dehydration and starvation. Now we will discuss what are the sign of dehydration and starvation. तो sign of dehydration, dehydration में क्या होगा? फीमेल को कीटोएसिडोसिस होगा. स्टार्वेशन की वजह से क्या होगा? मेटाबॉलिक एसिडोसिस होगा. कीटोएसिडोसिस होगा तो क्या होगा? एक्सेसिव नोजिया एंड वोमिटिंग होगा. Dry coated tongue, sign of dehydration. Shrunken eyes will be there. Skin turbidity, it is increased. Acetone smell in the breath. Tachycardia will be there. Hypotension, jaundice, increased temperature and paleness. These are the signs of dehydration or starvation. So during early signs, there is no sign of dehydration and starvation, but the normal activities of the female they are disturbed because of excessive vomiting. Second is late sign. Late sign में there is evidence of dehydration and starvation. That the female will having sign of dehydration and starvation, it will be there. Second is excessive vomiting with retching day and night. Epigastric pain because of excessive vomiting. Decreased urine output, that means oliguria will be there. Constipation will be there. Botulism, that means excessive salivation. Fatigue will be there. The mother will be fatigued. Anorexia will be there. Spitting. Complications if the female is not treated because of hyperemesis gravidarum. So these are some signs and symptoms of hyperemesis gravidarum. Now we will discuss what are the investigations that are to be done for hyperemesis gravidarum.